You know, here at Clash of the Crafters, we love trying to DIY your faves. And we also know that you guys love searching for new side table projects. It could be anything from upcycling an old table to making one from scratch. Now, I know you're sitting at home thinking, I can't do this, right? Well, not so fast. Today, we're putting it to the test 2 ways. Let's meet our competitors. Builder Jason has his eyes set on the golden scissors. But editor Chelsea's eye for trends and her competitive streak means she's planning to cut down the competition. Only one will beat the clock. This is Clash of the Crafters. There are 3 criteria that I am going to be looking at. That's going to be functionality, stability, we don't want anything falling over, guys. In style, because anybody can make a table, but we want it to look good as well. You guys are gonna have full access to our craft wall, and you have 60 minutes to get this done. So are you ready?
Ready.
Ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys.
Okay, I'm rolling up the sleeves. What are you doing?
Okay.
You taking my stuff?
You know, I probably will. I'm a little nervous, but I'm confident in my skill set. The only thing that I think I'm gonna have a problem with is that I can't use power tools. So Jason has a little bit of a leg up on me.
We'll use these hairpin legs. If I wanted to tell Chelsea a secret to win, it would be to try to talk to me while I'm working. It's very difficult when I'm working to also talk to someone because I get really focused. I like this.
Ooh, cute.
This is gonna be good.
I mean, ooh, that's ugly.
No, cute.
So how's it coming along, guys?
Pretty good.
Pretty good so far.
I think I'm gonna make a table, maybe like a little side table out of plywood, and 2 pieces here, and then we'll use these hairpin legs like this to come down.
This is actually gorgeous, but are you gonna be able to get this done in 60?
Check back in 59 minutes.
Okay, I see you're going round.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a faux marble surface here. And then I think, I'm not sure yet, but depending on what it looks like, I'm gonna turn one of these waste baskets over
Oh, that's brilliant.
and put the faux marble top on top of the waste basket.
This is gorgeous, that's gonna be amazing.
So literally turning trash into treasure.
And what I'm gonna do is make this table, and I think I can get it all cut out of this one sheet. Okay, I'm gonna turn this on now, just so you know.
Okay.
It's gonna be loud. And let's see, I think probably about the right width. I might have chosen something that was too difficult.
We'll see at the 59-minute mark, I guess.
Exactly, that's the thing. Since I only really have these 2 tools here, you can alter your project to make it work with your tools instead of sort of complaining that you don't have the right tool. Like there's sort of little tricks that you can do, like I just did.
Okay.
I cut it on the chop saw first, and then I went back and sort of recut these down using the already like nice edges of this plywood so that everything is smooth on the front. So when I put this together, my front edge will be really pretty, and I don't care so much about the back edge. So we'll get something like this. Ah!
That hopefully will stay together.
Yeah, that's the idea. I told you, I needed 59 minutes.
What would be the best step for someone at home who's going to be starting?
So I think when you're getting started, it's important, especially if you don't have tools like this, to start out with your idea and then just sort of let it evolve.
Okay.
You could take a sketch that might slightly better than I have 60 minutes to do this sketch,
right,
to a professional or a carpenter or anyone who could cut pieces for you.
That's smart. So then you don't even have to worry about the stress of even working with power tools. All right, so you're fanning.
So I'm getting ready to start making the marble veins, which is the fun part.
Okay.
But I don't want to just smear my white texture everywhere because I want to keep it. I've turned some sandpaper into a fanning tool.
Which was really smart because, you know, time is ticking, but you are doing wonderful. I really like how this is coming together. You guys have 30 minutes.
The painting in 60 minutes, I don't know what I was thinking.
If we don't get it done, maybe I can just screw yours to the top of mine,
Perfect.
and we'll split
You know,
that
we
trophy.
can just call it a truce.
Yeah, this is gonna be my top, so I'm gonna try to make. I need 2 drills.
And I have a drill, if you would like it.
Really? Do you really? That you don't
What are you
need?
gonna give me for it?
Ooh. I'll give you an extra 2 minutes of time against me. If you ever went into a carpenter shop and you're like, why does he have so many of the same tool?
Why is that?
Because now I can be screwing and drilling at the same time.
Okay, I like the contrast there.
Thanks, you feeling that?
Yeah. I love your technique. I think this looks absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm concerned about drying time.
Ooh.
You still have to
All
put the
right.
base on this. So
Let's not talk
have,
about it.
Have you figured out how you're going to work all that out with it not being all the way dry?
I mean, it looks really good.
It does look really awesome.
We'll see.
Oh, look at you.
Woo! So I'm gonna keep going. Since you said you like that contrast, I'm gonna keep going with the contrast.
I think that's gonna give it a nice finish. I know that you weren't thinking about this, but I'm always here for my confident newbies. I went into my toolkit
Think about it.
and I got you something that can help you along the way.
Thank you.
This is looking magnificent.
All right, we're almost done.
You guys have 15 minutes.
Normally, like, you put these legs sort of on the corner, but I like the way that the front of this looks very linear. So I line these up this way.
Okay.
So you, from the side, you sort of see this curve. And since my support is here, I used a big long screw to go all the way through both this support and this thing.
That's really smart.
So then I don't have to worry about finding the right screws, because I was trying to really catch up with what you guys are doing there.
It seems to be pretty dry. Now I just have to do something that I've never done before. Let's try this out.
Oh, you know, I can show you something that will help you a lot, actually. So you don't have to reach your whole hand down in here. You can just put this on the outside like that.
That's what I was thinking.
So
Right.
smart.
So we're going to push before we even start to drill. You're gonna kind of just push it into the wood. And you wanna make sure that this button on the drill, now that we have the screw pressed into the wood, you wanna make sure that this button is having the screw go the right way.
Okay.
Because this can also unscrew. So you wanna make sure that it's going clockwise.
Gotcha.
I just want to do one or two more little details. How much time?
That's good because you guys have 5 minutes.
Six on its own.
Look at you.
Nice!
She might be an expert after all.
That's the fast shake.
I like it.
1 minute left.
What? Seriously?
Jason. 3, 2, 1. Tools down. All right. All right, you guys
Clear.
pulled it together. Woo. These both look amazing.
Okay.
You guys are going to get 10 minutes to style them out. So let's see what you guys have.
All right.
I really like how it's so many different color contrasts, but they all go together. Like, I love the wood and the black. You have the blonde here. Great contrast. Nice job.
Thank you.
I like the little
Jason?
touch of the glasses there too.
Thank you. A personal styling
realistic.
touch.
I love this. I don't think that anybody would be able to tell that this is wood. I love the use of the trash can. Here comes the tricky part. You guys made this extremely hard for me. And the winner is Jason.
Oh!
Congratulations.
With your
Thank you.
expert skills and the ability to use the
does help.
tools, you did an amazing job. I
Thank
love
you.
all the fine touches that you put on there with putting in the dark colored stoppers and then putting the iron-on applique on the front. It really pulled it all together.
I love this. I want to take this home with me.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. You're a worthy
Congratulations.
adversary.
Agreed.